Testimony in the Karen Reed murder retrial turned contentious Tuesday as a police witness gave evidence that suggested that police had misrepresented evidence intended to convict Reed, and the defense's dog bite expert, Dr. Marie Russell, faced intense cross-examination, and the judge denied a defense motion for a mistrial over DNA evidence.
Dighton Police Sergeant Nicholas Barrows testified that evidence photos of Karen Reed's SUV taillight damage differed critically from his initial observation at the crime scene.
Barrows stated under oath that a 6-inch by 2 to 3-inch section was missing when he inspected the vehicle on January 29, 2022, contradicting prosecution photos showing a larger damaged area. Barrows confirmed this inconsistency was never noted in his original report or prior testimony. The testimony challenges evidence integrity with the defense, suggesting evidence tampering by police friends of the Albert family.
Earlier, Dr. Russell, an emergency physician and forensic pathologist, maintained her opinion that injuries on John O'Keefe's arm were consistent with a dog attack. This contradicted the prosecution's claim that Reed struck O'Keefe, her Boston police officer boyfriend, with her SUV and left him to die outside a Canton House party in January 2022. The defense moved for a mistrial after prosecutor Brennan questioned Dr. Russell about the absence of dog DNA found on O'Keefe's clothing samples during cross-examination. Defense attorney Alessi argued the prosecution deliberately introduced DNA evidence the defense had meticulously avoided. Judge Beverly Cannon denied the motion.
Upon resuming, Brennan pressed Russell on the DNA results, revealing no dog DNA was detected, though pig DNA of unknown origin was found. Russell stated this information did not change her opinion, suggesting potential issues with sample handling or testing accuracy. Brennan challenged her inability to pinpoint any specific flaw in the DNA process.
Later, Brennan questioned whether small plastic fragments, some a 1/16 of an inch, allegedly found in O'Keefe's clothing, matching Reed's SUV taillight, could have caused his arm injuries. Russell firmly dismissed this, stating the fragment's size and orientation made it impossible to create the observed injury pattern.
The defense also filed a motion seeking permission to argue that the jury should draw adverse inferences from the prosecution's decision not to call 3 key witnesses from Reed's first trial: lead investigator Michael Proctor, homeowner and policeman Brian Albert, and policeman Brian Higgins. The defense alleges a police conspiracy framing Reed.
The trial, now in its 26th day of testimony, continues. Reed's first trial ended in a mistrial last year due to a hung jury.